What we do here is go back.
I swapped over, and man, do these tires look hideous on this car. And this is the reason why I run 225 50s on my setup. They look horrible. Look at that gap. And I can't go lower, guys. I cannot go lower whatsoever because of my exhaust setup. Alright guys, so came here to bulletproof coating, and they're going to be powder coating the wheels, getting all that taken care of. I just came in here, I didn't record any of it just because I don't want to cause anything. So hopefully within a week I should have the wheels back. We should be able to show you guys that on the next video, hopefully, or whatever. They are going to be powder coating them, dismounting the tires, remounting them, and fixing any little damage it is for it. Pretty cheap, honest price. And I'm going to see about bringing a roll cage. So let's go ahead and head back in and head back home to take care of the rest of the business. Sorry I wasn't able to show you guys the stuff that I ended up getting for the car. Alrighty guys, so it's been about a week since we dropped off the wheels at Bulletproof powder coating. The wheels are done. There's some stuff that I really wish that I would have changed beforehand, such as the valve stems, but I'll go ahead and do with them now meanwhile, and then later on I'll go ahead and see if we can swap them out, if anything, which shouldn't be a problem. But I did get the wheels back. I did go pick them up already. Had some other stuff to take care of. You guys seen that basically dropped them off. If you guys remember the original color, they were teal, and I was a big fan of teal. I love the teal, especially on the car itself, but it felt like it was time to switch it up. So that is the reason why I hit up Bulletproof coating, powder coating, and got them to powder coat the wheels. So you guys might be surprised of the color that I chose. I don't think you guys would have ever thought I would have gone this route. You guys seen I went with teal, and now we went with white. So I did end up going white on the wheels, man. I felt like it would go really good with the car, and I think it would suit it because, you know, there is a change that I'm doing to this whole setup of the car itself, and doing the white wheels I felt like would go with it because it brings it back to the originality. If I ever really wanted to sell them, they're repowder coated back to white, and we shouldn't have any problems with it whatsoever. It does need a little bit of cleaning. This was from the thing. I'm looking for the center caps, so I think I found a set here local. I'm gonna go see if I can pick them up. I'm gonna take a measurement of them and see if I can go measure the other ones that are there that they have and see if they work. So I do have the other ones in back of the truck, so let me go ahead and pull them out, and that way we can start putting on the decals, because I did get decals for these also. So these are decals that were fully redone, replicated, so they each have their own for each wheel. So I have one of them already going to be on over here on the table. So let's go ahead, pull them out, and start putting the decals on here real quick.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Alrighty guys, there you go. You get an MF10 now. You get on it, decals are on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other ones real quick so that I can try to get them installed onto the car. I'm in a quick hurry right now. I'm trying to get this done. I don't know if I'll get them on the car right now, right off this next clip, but let me go ahead and put the decals on. I'll show you guys all that once it's done, once all four of them are on. You got the first set on, actually came out pretty good. This is from what I know of. I took a picture from a gentleman called Jay Hardon on Instagram. He posted a picture of his, the way he did them, and this looks to be about it. It might be off a slight, millimeter, half an inch, quarter of an inch, but I'm not gonna be that picky. So it is what it is. It's in the middle of kind of this one, a little bit more this way. You can see that one. That one is a little bit more in the middle, but it is what it is, man. I'm cool with it. So let me go ahead and finish these ones up.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might.
Alrighty guys, so the stickers didn't come out perfect, and I'm saying that now. They didn't come out perfect. They are misaligned a little bit, but I don't give a shit. I absolutely dig them now that the emblems or the stickers are on the decals. Way better. There's a few decals that I got to put on. These decals are actually not correct for this wheel. I found them here local from a gentleman. He shipped them to me, and the sizing of it is actually different. So here you have the rear decals that go inside the barrel. These say 15 by 8. These are only 15 by 6.5. So they're not gonna work for the barrel itself. And I'm okay with that. I'm not trying to make it, sorry, I'm trying to pick up this damn trash. I'm not trying to make it fully legit because, again, replica decals, but there is some decals in here that I really wanted. The guy that usually makes these, Mr. Decal, I believe he's in the Philippines. I'm not sure exactly where he's at, actually. I hit him up and he wanted like 140. I was just trying to buy the outside decals, the MF10L ones, and he wanted like 85. So I figured I'd pick these up and put them onto the car, onto the wheels. So let me go ahead and show you guys the decals I'm going to use from here, and then I'll show you basically the rest of the wheels. So as I stated, I got some things I got to do real quick. I got some orders I got to get out, and then I got to take my wife to the hospital as she got sick, and so she's getting ready right now so I can take her. So let me go ahead and take care of what I need to take care of, guys, and we'll come back, put the wheels on, and then finish off the video showing you guys the wheels that we got now powder coated for the all-wheel drive sedan. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day and I had to take care of what I had to take care of, unfortunately, and then I got home yesterday and I ended up putting on the wheels. As you guys seen, picked up the new wheels, or the wheels that got repowder coated from Bulletproof Powder Coating here in San Bernardino. They did an amazing job on the whole setup itself. I ended up finding the decals as I explained to you guys, and I ended up throwing them on. You guys seen that, and also I ended up throwing them onto the car, taking off the M7s. So the M7s are actually off of the car now, here tucked away in the corner. So car does have the wheels on it now, and hopefully you guys do enjoy what the car looks like. It's gonna take some time for me to get used to them because I'm so used to the teal that I had on there, and it's not a shabby look. I'll go ahead and see if I can give you guys a little, a little preview. But yeah, here are the wheels, man. Here are the MF10Ls repowder coated in white. I really just wanted to try something different, guys. I'm not known for really going with the flow of things. You guys seen the teal wheels that I went with. I was originally gonna go with yellow or orange, just to go ahead and switch it all the way up. But man, oh man, I'm actually digging it. It's gonna take a little bit getting used to being just white on the car. My main worry is I really didn't want to do white just because the front calipers, the brake dust that it does give. I'm gonna look into probably doing a big breakup grade onto it and get rid of the wheel woods. That way I have a little bit more clearance, because these wheel woods and these brakes do give a lot of brake dust, which I do not enjoy cleaning whatsoever at all. But not too shabby, man. I mean, truthfully, you can see, look at the way the car looks. I think it looks pretty amazing for what it is, and I think it's gonna suit it very well for the time being. I'm gonna give it a test run for a couple of months, and if I don't like it and I want to switch it up, guys, I'm probably gonna switch it up. But everybody is digging the new color. I've had a lot of people on Instagram say that it just suits the color very well. Just like, again, I like to honestly be pretty different. I don't like to follow trends. I like to do my own thing, and seeing them in white again really wasn't too appealing for me. A homie of mine told me it's like getting a new haircut. You know, got to get used to it, and it's gonna take some time to get used to these wheels, at least for me. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys dig them. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of upgrades here and there before the Honda meet, and hopefully you guys get to see it there, man. So pretty much, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Figured I'd just do a video, throw it out there, give you guys an update on the sedan, on what's going on. I'm also gonna be, just an update, I'm also gonna be sending the transmission out to go get, or take the transmission, the all-wheel drive transmission, to go get dry ice blasted. And then from there, my homie Brandon is supposed to be coming down after that. A couple days after that, probably by the time the Honda meet is, he's gonna come down and we're gonna rebuild that transmission, so that way when we get the new motor when we get the new motor back from the engine builder, I can start tearing into all that and getting all that finalized and set up. Remove this engine, keep it as my backup, keep this transmission that's currently hurt. It's gonna have the same setup that the rebuilt transmission is gonna have. It's gonna have just an LSD. We're gonna fix the 5th gear on that CRV trans. Go through it, make sure the synchroids are okay. If they need to be replaced, we're gonna replace them. And that way the transmission will be 100% healthy as possible. And that's gonna be a temporary transmission going back into the car until the built transmission gets fully rebuilt. And I mean Gearx gears, synchroids, shift selector, the inside one from Speed Factory that they sell, all that's going to be getting done to the transmission, and hopefully that will help me with launching the car, be able to handle the power and not really breaking any gears. I'm not saying I won't break gears, but it'll help me in the meantime, or a majority of the time, so that way I can have the car ready to launch and not worry about messing up second, third, fourth if I can get the gears in. Because if you don't put the gears in correctly, transmission can get hurt really bad. And with the Gearx ones, I feel like the notchiness of it, it'll actually let me go in with the higher horsepower that we're planning on going with, and we shouldn't have any issues. But with God's fate, man, everything will go as planned, hopefully, and we'll get a little bit more upgrades to the all-wheel drive sedan. But yeah, guys, pretty much with that being said, that's gonna wrap it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.